On the lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zenani. Zenani, it is the name of her daughter, his daughter. To means at the time of oath ceremony, he went with her daughter. Her name was Zenani. On the podium, Mr. D. Clark was first sworn in as second deputy president. Listen, students. So there were two deputy president in South Africa. So first, second deputy president took the oath. He went on the podium and took his oath. Sworn means swear. It is the third form of swear. Kasam Khana. Okay, taking an oath as a deputy president, and then Thabo Mbeki was sworn. Thabo Mbeki. M is silent here. Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president, and after him who went the first deputy president to took his oath. Okay, when it was my turn, so listen students, remember this thing, it is an autobiography of Mandela, and that's why he is using first person. So when it was my turn means when it comes the turn of Mr. Mandela, what he did, I pledge means a formal promise or agreement. So I pledge to obey my uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. Clear? So I pledge to means he took a formal promise or oath to obey and uphold. To obey means you know very well, to follow the rules, and uphold. Uphold means to support a decision, especially when others are against it. So he just took a promise and took the oath to obey and follow and support the constitution and of South Africa and to devote myself to the well-being of republic and its people. So he just took an oath to obey and follow the constitution wholeheartedly and devote himself in the duty of the well-being of republic of the democratic South Africa on its people, means citizen of South Africa. To the assembled guests, the watching word I said, and what he also addressed to the assembled means collected, the guests who were collected there, gathered there. So assembled guests he also, and for the watching word, because listen student, watching word, this ceremony was also channelized, means it was also telecasted by the television. I said you can also watch the glimpse of that telecasted moment on internet also. I said what he said, how he addressed to the people. Today all of us do why our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. What he said, today all of us do by our presence here. It means now he said addressed to the people and said today means at that day 10th May, on 10th May, all of us do. What all of us means here, the newly elected leaders and also the leaders who assembled and gathered there from all over the world, and the dignitaries, influential people, okay, by their presence. What they all are doing, the elected leaders and the people who gathered there to watch that historical moment, they all were doing at that time confer means give, confer here means give glory and hope to the newborn liberty, the liberty for everybody is newborn there, because before that everybody was not free. Liberty means free in the full sense, and that's why the liberty is newborn. He called liberty the newborn only because it was like the newborn baby who born newly, clear, recently. As the people come to bless newborn baby, just like it, the liberty is compared to the newborn baby, and the leaders and influential people who were gathered there were giving what? Glory. Glory means shan, you can say, and hope, asha, to that baby, means they all were giving glory, matlab they enhance their beauty and power and giving hope to this newborn liberty and blessing this with their presence. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. What he said further? It is newborn liberty, and they all are by their presence blessing it and glorifying it and filling it with a new hope, because out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster. Listen, students, here the meaning of extraordinary human disaster means it was not a simple human disaster which was the evil which were practicing in the African society. Here he wants to say this. What? Listen, students. So what is the meaning of this idea extraordinary human disaster? Here is that human disaster means the practice of apartheid in the country. During that time there was racial segregation. Means they were dividing white people from the black people based on on which thing this racial segregation was based. It was based on the skin color of people. Black people did not have the proper constitution. What type of segregation? They did not have proper constitutional right, and they were considered inferior. The white people thought themselves superior, and they considered black people because of only their black color inferior to themselves, and the end of the system. So why? Now that lasted too long. So such type of system, the apartheid system, the discrimination between black and white, ठीक? That lasted too long. It lasted too long means it took too long time to be lasted to end. Clear? Must be born a society, and now out of which a born liberty is come in the society, such type of society which with all the humanity will be proud. So from this disastrous rule, a new society is born where everybody is equal, and which all humanity means this type of practice was inhuman activity, and that's why he said that which all the humanity. So he, whatever he did, he earned the equal rights for everyone. So means it is the act of humanity. Human should be given equal rights, equal importance, and because such type of rule will be followed in the society now, and that's why all humanity be proud means proud on the system, because it was showing the end of the system and beginning of more tolerant society where everybody was tolerated by everyone, clear, by one another. So tolerant society was born, and it is a glorious human achievement. According to him, it is a glorious human achievement on which people should proud of. Clear?